Today I'm making a 5-ingredient under $15 dinner idea, making penne alla vodka, French bread pizza, and Caesar salad. These are the ingredients you're going to need: 1 box of penne pasta, a jar of vodka sauce, 8 ounces of mozzarella cheese, a Caesar salad kit, and 1 loaf of French bread, and I got all these ingredients from Walmart. Next I have a boiling pot of water and I'm going to add the pasta and cook this for 10 minutes. Next I have the loaf of the French bread on a lined baking sheet. I'm going to cut it in half. Once the pasta was done, I drained it, then put it back in the pot and mixed the vodka sauce in, and now I'm going to add the pasta on top of the French bread. Then I shredded up the whole block of mozzarella cheese. I'm going to add that on top, and then I'm going to bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. While the pizza is baking, I'm going to make the salad. So in a bowl, I'm going to add the lettuce, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and the dressing and mix that up until it's combined. Once the pizza was done, I cut it up into pieces and I added some Caesar salad on the side, and here's an up-close look of my plate.